Nice.
It's the brand new citizenM. Bit slow.
Level R.
Yeah, I don't know.
Going down.
Public open space.
Come back up here.
Yeah. 2.
2. 4.
Yeah.
3.
Love the mirrored cab. And then it's wood on this side.
I didn't think these were going to be the main elevators.
3rd floor.
Should be lobby.
Going up.
I think we could switch here. Yeah, we could switch here. Whoa, why are they so far apart? They're so cool.
Wait. Oh, it's because the doors are the opposite.
Wait. But it wasn't like that downstairs.
Yeah, because the doors are catty corner from each other.
No, I think there's another elevator between here.
There's not. The doors downstairs. Watch. See how that side opens out?
Oh, that's weird. Scan your key card here. We can end it up there.
Okay.
Level R.
Let's see.
Ooh.
Going down.